Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to invite another person to Tailscale. If you're using Tailscale to securely connect your devices, you may eventually want to invite another person to join your private network. Tailscale makes this easy by allowing you to invite users directly to your network so they can securely access shared resources like servers, internal tools, or private applications. To begin, open your browser and sign in to the admin dashboard Tailscale. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard that displays all the devices currently connected to your Tailscale network. This dashboard is where you manage users, devices, and permissions. Next, navigate to the Users section of the admin panel. This section allows you to manage who has permission to join and use your network. Look for the option labeled Invite External Users. Click on this option to begin the invitation process. A prompt will appear asking you to either copy the invite link or enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can also choose what position they'll hold at your team. Enter their email address carefully, since the invitation will be sent directly to that email. After entering the email address, confirm the invitation. Tailscale will now send an invitation link to the person you added. Once they receive the email, they simply need to open the link and sign into Tailscale using the same email address. After they accept the invitation, they will officially become part of your Tailscale network. At this point, they can install the Tailscale client on their devices and connect to the network just like any other member. From the admin dashboard, you'll be able to see their devices appear in the list once they connect. As a network administrator, you can also control their access permissions using Tailscale's access control policies. This allows you to define which devices or services each user can reach within the network. This is especially useful for teams or organizations where different users need different levels of access. If you ever need to remove a user, you can return to the user section of the admin dashboard and revoke their access at any time. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.